The hydraulic industry demands precision, flexibility, and strict quality control. A major challenge in this application is handling diverse components, O-rings, bronze, and graphite parts within a compact and efficient system. To meet this challenge, a robotic island was designed using two flexible 500 feeders featuring the multiple parts feeding option with a disc divided into two independent sectors. Two Techman cobots, equipped with integrated cameras and dual end-of-arm tooling, ensured precise part handling and insertion. Each cycle included 4 optical inspections and dimensional checks, guaranteeing top-quality assembly. This setup not only streamlined the press loading process, but also enhanced adaptability. The FlexiBowl system's infinite recipe memory allowed seamless reconfiguration for different components, eliminating mechanical adjustments and making production more agile. Flexibility, accuracy, and automation, the key to efficient hydraulic component manufacturing.